This post is about star rating. The rating we can give in our restaurant review. So for that we have to go to the post and find out uh, a restaurant. Like we can see here have some star ratings. So like let's go to Boomers. To enable the star rating, I have to scroll down a little bit, like feature name, food. So I have scored it 4 star, and feature name, environment, scored the environment 4 star. Feature name, service, I have scored service like 3.5 star. And then I have to scroll down a little bit. Here I have to give the review type star review type. Then 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 I can see what I have to update it. I can see over here in my post, I mean in my page, what rating I have given over here. I can see like I have given 4 ratings to food, environment, like 4 ratings, 4 star ratings. Service I have given 3 star ratings, and then like uh, for other, like overall summary, I have given 4 star ratings. And then there are some users, for these are for users, they can give these ratings over here. That's it.